if you're interested in a beautiful coffee bar, beverage bar that we're going to be using for the winter, then stay tuned. Hello. The weather outside is frightful and it's chilly, and you know what that means. We need warm beverages. Hello and welcome to Ebony, Ivy, and Time, where we work hard. We love God and family, and we know without a doubt that everything else is just gravy. Now, we're going to be participating today in a winter beverage and coffee bar collaboration. And this beverage and coffee bar collaboration is being hosted by two beautiful creators. One is Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. The second is Kimberly Davis of Diva Designing on a Dime. Both of these ladies have great channels, and I'm going to link them down below so that if you're interested in some of the fun things that they do, then certainly you will have an opportunity to visit with them. Now, also, I will link below the playlist for this collaboration. So not only will you be able to watch my video, but you'll also have availability of watching the rest of the creators. Now, I hope you will certainly stop right now, and if you are not a regular member of the family, I hope you will subscribe and come back to the channel so you can see some of the fun things that we do. Because here at Ebony, Ivy, and Time, we do things in the kitchen for the kitchen. And I'm kind of taking you into a new spot today, and we're trying it out to see how that goes. But you know what? It really is cold outside, and we're getting ready for a wonderful season. And I hope you and your family have enjoyed our past holiday that we just celebrated, and we're looking forward to Christmas and a new year. So stay tuned and enjoy the coffee bar. I have been so excited to share my coffee bar with you because this is a working coffee bar. We use this every day, and I look at it pretty much all day. So when I'm in the kitchen, this is first and foremost. Now, you'll see that off to the right side that you'll see our Cuisinart coffee maker, and I set it up every single evening for every single morning. I've taken out my Christmas mugs, and you know I have a thing about little cardinals, and guess what? On these mugs they have beautiful cardinals, and they're on their holly, and it looks very festive, and so we're going to be using those. Now, my theme is we wish you a Merry Christmas. And I wanted the sign, I wanted a signage so that we can remind each other of just what this season is all about. And I found this cute little gingerbread house that the top actually removes. You can take it on and off, and I have our sweeteners in there, and this cute little gingerbread guy in an apron. Can you believe that? Now, these little red and white straws, and I found all kinds of little gingerbread ornaments that I was able to add. I have the coffee creamer, so as we turn, and I have placed this on a Lazy Susan, that's where it stays, you'll see that I've got, besides more little gingerbread men, I also have a little marshmallow girl, and she's holding the napkins for this season. We added some peppermint, Ghirardelli peppermint pieces that we enjoy, as well as marshmallows for hot chocolate, and we've got candies in the green and white, staying with the theme, and there's our Nestle's chocolate, and of course, you know, we want that hot chocolate, especially on those cold and chilly days. Now, these little green, red, and white candies that we have in here are actually chocolate-covered almonds, but don't they light up this coffee bar? They are so beautiful. And I'm just going to give you a moment to take all of that in. Now, while this is the main part of my coffee beverage bar, it is certainly not the only thing that we do in this area. You're going to see off to the left of our Lazy Susan that we have a little teapot. This electric teapot gets used pretty much every day as well, whether we're making quick soups or whether we're having tea, and we do have tea quite a bit. And this little fella right here that I'm putting back up, he has a tendency, because of his weight, he's a little bad boy. He just keeps falling over. So I have 1 cup over for our tea, and I also have another beverage that's all nestled in the fur. But there's our little electric coffee pot. And this little coffee pot I try to keep in my Amazon listing, and so you'll see that below. Now, this little furry cover for the wine bottle is one that I change out. You'll see sometime it's in kind of a mink looking color or rabbit color, and sometimes it's white. So as Christmas goes by and the weeks go by, a few things might change, but for the most part, our coffee bar is set, and we use it and we enjoy it each and every day. And you'll see our straws, you see our spoons, everything we need is right here on our tiered tray. And that tiered tray is seated on a Lazy Susan. So we certainly wish you a very, very Merry Christmas and a wonderful and blessed New Year. My friends, I hope you've enjoyed this coffee bar, and I hope it gives you some ideas as to some things you might want to do in yours. Now, it's very practical. First, I'd like to say thank you to Kenya and to Diva Designing on a Dime, Kimberly Davis, both for hosting this collaboration. And next, I'd like to invite you to go to the playlist so that you can see what other creators have done. I've also included in my description box those collaborations that I have participated in, so that if you'd like to see some of the other things that I've done as well, it is in the description box. I certainly hope that you have a wonderful and blessed holiday season. And you know what? Keep in mind, if you are not a family member, please join, and that you will take the time to visit quite often, because you know we do things here at Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme in the kitchen for the kitchen. So I look forward to seeing you right here.